Hi viewers, this is Vetrivel. Today we can discuss about Dynamic 365 portal customization. Today we are going to change the portal primary navigation menus and integrate the Power BI report with the portal, hide the search box in the home page. Let's move into CRM. So open the make.powerapps.com and click the portal management. First we are going to change the primary navigation menus. So you can see here by defaultly have the contact sample page and the sign in option. So we are going to change this primary navigation. Open the portal management and navigate the web link sets and click the primary navigation and switch the links. So these are the links by defaultly having the portal home, contact and sample page. We are going to change these links. So if you don't want to these links, just click the links and deactivate. You can do one by one, deactivate all the links, and now create the new web links. I'm giving the link is support, publish status published, and a parent web link is home. And here drop down and choose the display order is 1. Save and close and create new web link. So second one is knowledge base. Choose the publish state. Set the display order to and save and close. So create new web link. Name it as a report. Publishing status published custom portal. So we are going to create one new web page. Name it the report. Choose the website custom portal. Parent page is home. The partial URL is report. So the page template you can choose the home or page. I'm going to use the page. Publish status published custom portal. Scroll down. Okay, save. So here we are going to choose the report. Save and close. So now we have created the support knowledge base and a report. So now we are going to refresh the portal. It will take time. We are going to restart the portal in the portal administrator settings. Restart the portal. Yeah, now you can see here we have changed the primary navigation menus. In the report section now is empty. We are going to integrate the Power BI reports in this section. So for that we need to enable the Power BI option in the portal administrator center. So click on the set up the Power BI integration and enable the Power BI visualization and close. So now we are going to open the Power BI reports. So I am choosing the workspace. Open the reports and click the reports. Yeah, this report we are going to display in our portal. So for that we need to copy the embedded URL. So just copy the URL and close. So we can publish the Power BI report in portal using two methods. One is Power BI Authentication Type Anonymous and Power BI Authentication Type Azure Active Directory. So we are going to publish our report is with Anonymous and paste the URL. Copy the URL. So this URL we are going to mention in our web page. So open the web page. Yearly we have created the report web page. So open the report web page. In that scroll down the localized content. Click that localized content. Here we need to mention that HTML format. So we have pasted the URL here. So just save and close. You can also check that the URL is accessible through the web. So now we are going to copy the URL and paste in your browser. Now the report is accessible. Now we are going to check our portal, the report able to accessible or not. Now you can see here, you can able to view the report in your portal. Now we are going to hide this search box in home page. Now go to the portal management and click the web pages and search home web page and open the home web page. In the home web page, choose the page template. In the page template, scroll down. Web template, double click the web template. Here you can find out the include dot search. So you can just make it this line as a command line. Just save and refresh the page. Now you can see here the search box is gone. Thanks for watching.